Soul contracts and manifesting soulmate. What you must know. I know you might feel these two notions are separate and definite, but they're not so different. They work hand in hand to manifest each other. Though there are various means of interacting or attaining them, they still work together to make your life a better one. Just that one helps beget the other, and also each notion, when achieved, comes with a unique and wonderful experience. The universal law of attraction convinces us that everything and everyone we attract to ourselves are only a reflection of the frequency we're emitting to the universe.
Hey, welcome to Psych, Simplified. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.
And that if for any reason we stop sending these signals, just like phone calls, the connection, which helps you attract that which you want from the universe, will end. You will be stuck with what you already have or where you are. For instance, if we love ourselves and do things that express this love we feel for ourselves, we will attract more love in many forms. From people who will love us for the things we do, and no other reason, because neither of you can understand why the person likes it now. To maybe lovely animals who will keep you company and enjoy your presence. Sometimes it can be new objects and gadgets, which we will love too. And before we know it, our reality will be surrounded by love. Similarly, if it goes the other way around, where we love ourselves less and allow inferiority complex to dominate our thoughts and actions, a new type of fear will grip us, and we won't see reasons to do a lot of things that we used to do. And it might surprise us that our friends and family will most times act in tandem with this thought. That's how the law of attraction operates. So therefore, with your soulmate, you will have to learn to manifest them. It's left for you to reach out for their frequency and find them so you can draw them to yourselves, because love is more fun when you're with your soulmate. Though before someone is considered our soulmates, there will have to be a special spark, and the bond will seem to be out of this world. You both share a soul contract, while in the source where you roamed as souls before you took bodies. But after the attraction, the pattern which the bond follows depends on our partner and us, due to the fact that if we don't manifest them, little by little the bond will grow weaker and might break. But the more we display it, the more the bond becomes more robust. And it's also the more we bring lovely things to our lives. Because love is in tandem with the laws of attraction, other good things will start manifesting in your lives. Also, in terms of marriage, displaying one's soulmate create a chronicle avenue through which we would spend the rest of our lives together. But while at the source, which is a place we roam as souls before we take bodies as ordinary beings, there are times we sign soul contracts with other souls. These contracts are often of goodwill, because they tend to bring us luck later on when our life begins. For instance, the love we share with our soulmates. And often, when you meet someone whom you share a soul contract with, you will feel a special glow in your life, or be stuck in a déjà vu of good happenings or bad happenings, depending on the type of contract signed. There are times the contract we would sign would be one of karmic debt, which we will have to spend a long time in our lives paying for. Karmic debt is a type of soul contract in which someone who did some evil deeds in their previous lives signs to pay for those evil deeds and learn from them. So, depending on the soul contract you signed, it affects your life in its unique pattern. Because, for soulmates, they're still souls we met at the source and souls we signed contracts with. An arrangement of romantic connection, we only have to manifest them by tapping into the laws of attraction and loving them if we want to keep them. Again, how we treat our soulmates in this life can result in a new soul contract in our next lives. If, with our current soulmates, we don't treat them well, and we share a toxic relationship with them, which is intentional, and we don't right our wrongs in this life, it will result in a soul contract which we will sign before our next life. only that the soul contract will be for a karmic relationship, or maybe a karmic debt. So, while living the next life, you find yourself stuck in a toxic loop till you learn your lessons. So, therefore, most soul contracts are signed about our previous lives. Also, manifesting a soulmate often involves embodying a solid bond between you and the person with whom you are in a romantic relationship. These soulmates often come when you invite them because you are meant to attract them through your actions and maybe by clearing your thoughts or ensuring you don't let the events of your past relationship bother you. But to keep the relationship, you must keep manifesting the love and care you share with your soulmate. Because if you stop and start being toxic towards your soulmate, it can push them away. If the patterns continue until the end of your present life, you may be in a karmic relationship in the next one. And instead of meeting a soulmate, you will have a false twin flame as a partner. Furthermore, unlike every other relationship, when you and your soulmate meet, you will feel a particular spark because you both share a soul contract that assigned you to each other before you became human. So, the relationships will feel somewhat magical. On the other hand, soul contracts can be shared with more than one person, depending on the impact the person is meant to make in your life. Though they are there to make you a better person, they might not be all magical and fun, for some are there to teach you lessons. This contract often involves different people we meet at various stages of our lives, which helps us become better people and teach us important lessons. They can take the shape of your childhood friend, who always saves you from danger, or be a karmic relationship to teach you an important task, or your boss at work, who often cares for your safety. It shows that a typical soul contract gets fulfilled, whether invited or not. It's now left for you to groom and let go of the ones you want to let go of, or hold close to the ones you want to. And most times, you might not notice the contract intended lesson, but with manifesting soulmates, you know how it flows, so you have to be the one who manifests them in your life.
I hope that you enjoyed the explanation. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of subsequent updates. Thanks for watching!